Throughout the year, the civil rights movement, space race, and the Vietnam War dominate daily headlines. However, 1966 marked many other historic moments. During the Rose Bowl on New Year's Day, Dodge revealed the Charger in an enticing commercial asking car enthusiasts to join the Dodge Rebellion. 2 weeks later, Batman, starring Adam West, premiered. On January 17th, a U.S. B-52 collides with a Stratotanker and drops its payload of 3 hydrogen bombs over Spain. March 4th. In an interview with the Evening Standard, the Beatles' John Lennon comments, "We're more popular than Jesus," creating outrage in America. March 16th. The last Studebaker production facility closes. The very next day, U.S. divers recover one of the 70-kiloton hydrogen bombs off the coast of Spain. March 22nd. General Motors apologizes before a Senate subcommittee regarding its intimidation campaign against Ralph Nader. March 26th. Anti-war protests erupt across the nation. April 1st. The final episode of The Flintstones airs on ABC. By April 21st, the first artificial heart transplant was performed at Houston Methodist Hospital. And by late April, U.S. troops in Vietnam exceeded 250,000. May 15th. Tens of thousands of anti-war protesters arrive at the Washington Monument. June 1st, the final episode of The Dick Van Dyke Show aired. By June 8th, an F5 tornado devastates Topeka, Kansas. And a week later, the Supreme Court ruled that police must inform suspects of their rights before questioning them. The Miranda rights are born. June 18th and 19th, Ford Motor Company wins the 24 Hours of Le Mans in a controversial blanket finish. August 1st, Snapper Charles Whitman kills 13 and wounds 31 from University of Texas Tower. August 5th, construction of New York City's World Trade Center breaks ground. August 11th, John Lennon apologizes. August 17th, race car driver Ken Miles is killed while testing Ford's J-Car. August 25th, The Doors record their debut album. September 1st, Ralph Baer outlines the concept of the video game system. He wrote it on 4 pages of paper while waiting at a bus stop. September 8th, Star Trek premieres on NBC. September 29th, Chevrolet introduces the Camaro. October 15th, President Lyndon B. Johnson establishes the Department of Transportation. October 27th, It's a Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown premieres on CBS. November 8th, actor Ronald Reagan is elected governor of California. A week later, 2 couples report seeing a moth-like creature chasing their car in Point Pleasant, West Virginia. December 15th, Walt Disney passes away, but first he outlines his dream of a utopian city in Florida. December 18th, How the Grinch Stole Christmas is shown for the first time on CBS. By the end of 1966, almost 500,000 troops are in Vietnam. 1966 makes the end of the 4th generation of Ford F-Series pickup trucks, known as slick sides.